Okay. Well, she failed the last time. Now I turned the camera off. So now we're going to see her fall again. Are you scared?
Yes.
Why'd you climb up it then?
I don't know. I thought it'd be fun.
Is it fun now?
Winnie.
What?
You're not going to break on me, are you? Don't break. That's it. I refuse to get back up.
Brittany, smile at your audience. Don't stick at me.